Hello everyone, this is the digital scale Seca 769. It comes with the stadiometer to measure the height, and it took me a while to know how to take it apart just for shipping purposes. So what you need to do, especially for those with the stadiometer up here, there is in the back of it, there is a screw that you can see it when you pull this one up. When you pull this one up here, and you can see should be a screw here. It takes a flathead screwdriver to take it out. So I'm going to take this part out and then continue. So as you see, a flathead screwdriver did it. One screw from the back of it, and it was easily removed. Only one screw in the back right here. Now the other unit, also to make it easier for shipping, we can take the base off, and that is by turning the whole scale down this way. And I believe there are two screws or bolts right there. One over here and one over here that we can remove, and we use Allen wrenches to do that. This is one, and one up here, so I'm going to take them out. These are kind of long bolts that they go there, so after we take them out, I'm going to put them back where they belong so we don't lose them. Now you see, after taking them out of here, I put them back where they belong so they don't get lost in shipping, and we can easily just bend the unit this way to make it easier for shipping, and then also include the height scale along with it. Alright, I hope you like this video. So there are only two tools that are needed: the Allen wrench and the flat screwdriver. Have a good day.